Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making this authentic Nsala soup for Omugwo for new time mom. So stay tuned, let's get right into the video. And I'll be making use of some mackerel fish. You can make use of any fish of your choice like catfish. And I have some hard chicken. You can make use of any chicken of your choice. I also be making use of some stockfish. This stockfish is already soft. And I'm making use of catfish, dry catfish, and some crayfish, some salt. I have ogiri dawa, oil bean. This is the authentic one for Nsala. I'm making use of uyayak, some pepper, some seasoning cube. I have some uziza seeds. I'm making use of some frozen yams. You can make use of fresh yams. So I will not be making use of all the yams inside the soup. I'll be eating some. So I will go ahead and start cooking the proteins. I will start with the hard chicken because it's very hard. Then I will throw in some stockfish. This stockfish is already soft, but not that 100% soft, at least 80% soft. Then I'll be adding the yams as well. Add the seasoning cubes. Then add some salt to taste. This soup can be eaten by anybody at any time, but the best time to eat it is after giving birth. Add some water to it, also at the level of the content, then cover the pot and start cooking. I will be toasting the ogiri dawa, the oil bean. I will be toasting both sides till it looks like this. Then I will also be pounding it and some other dry ingredients like oda and the uziza. I will pound it with my mortar. You can use your grinder, your dry mill to blend it. Then I also be pounding the pepper. This is what I got from the oda. This one's doesn't grind very well when you use mortar and pestle. Is like the skin, so I will take it out. Then I will scoop out the pepper. Then the yams are ready. The fork or knife can easily go inside the yam. And this one is the head of the yam. I will be eating it. Then I top water to the level of the content. I will add in the uyayak and the fish. Please, if you are watching up to this extent, give this video a thumbs up. Okay, I'm making this soup because a friend of mine gave birth, so I'm making this soup so that I can take some soup to her. And I also love eating this soup at any time because this cleanses the system. You can use your blender and a little bit of water to blend the yam, but I prefer to pound it. So I'll be pounding it with mortar and pestle. You will have to pound this till it is very, very light, silky, and fluffy. And after that, I will take out the fish so that it doesn't break into the soup while turning it and adding other ingredients. So just like so. Then I will add in the dry catfish. Cover the pot and cook for 5 minutes so that the dry fish will also release its aroma into the soup. Add in some water to the level of it. After 5 minutes, throw in the things that you blended earlier. Your kubeb seeds, that's uziza seed, the oda, the pepper, then follow it up with the yam. Also remember to add your ogiri dawa. If you don't have dawa, you can use okwe, but dawa is the best for this. I will also be adding some uziza leaves. If you have fresh uziza leaves, why not make use of it, but I don't have the fresh one. And this is the consistency of the soup. You don't need it to be thick, you don't need it to be so light. And once the soup cools down, it will thicken up a bit. I'll be introducing the crayfish. Add crayfish to your taste. This soup requires a lot of crayfish. Add some salt to taste. Then check for salt. If it's enough, that's okay. If it's not enough, you can add more salt. Then introduce back the fishes you removed earlier so that it will soak up in the soup. Add the leaves you are using. I'm using uziza leaf. I'm using the dry one because I don't have the fresh one here. If you don't have uziza leaf at all, you can make use of some fresh spinach. Add a little bit of fresh spinach just to enhance the color of the soup and nothing more. But yeah, the uziza leaf adds more flavor to this soup. That's why we're making use of it. If you don't have uziza leaf, you can use utazi leaf, but add a little bit of utazi because utazi is bitter, so you don't need to add a lot. And after everything, after 2 minutes, is ready. The soup is as good as ready. You can enjoy with any swallow of your choice. And that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.